Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video, we will be looking at how to secure your profit trading boom and crash. This time around, we will be checking it out while trading the spikes. Okay, while trading the spikes. If you have been following up, you will notice that we started this topic few days ago, and we've treated different versions of it, and of course this time around we will be checking out how we can use it to trade the spike successfully. Okay, because it is even much more easier using it for spikes than using it for the normal trend. Okay, you won't believe that. So quickly we will be going straight into that in order to check out this out so that we will know how to go about it. But before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In case you are just joining us for the first time, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very important, and if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right away. But before we go into the charts, okay, let me quickly explain a few things to you guys using the Jamboard. Okay, like I said we will be checking it out using the normal trend, which we have been doing for the past few days. Then this time around, we want to check it out. Check out how we can use it to trade the spike. Okay, it helps to trade the spike successfully, right, starting from the beginning of a trend to the very end of the trend. Okay, but quickly, let me quickly explain this. Okay, before you can use it to trade the spike, or probably let me take it to a new page. Before you can use it to trade the spike, then you should be able to know your trend. You should be able to know your trend. Your trend is always very important, because once you are able to identify the beginning of the trend for the spike, then definitely you will be able to trade it for a very long time. Then apart from you identifying the beginning of the trend for a spike, it's knowing your trend helps you to know the right trend to trade the spikes. If you are trading the spike in the wrong trend, then this might not really be that productive for you. But once you are trading it in the right trend, then it will be very productive, because you will be able to trade the spikes from the beginning of the trend to the very last of the trend. For instance, if the let's say in let's say you are trading crash 1000, and you are getting the drop down candle um in this form. Okay, because the market, because you already know that the market is in downtrend, and definitely you will be getting more of spiky candles around there. Then you should know that um if you should come in at the beginning of the trend, let's say this is your entry point, then you will be able to use it to trade the spike for a very long time, from your entry point to the very end. And you can use this on any of the time frame. Okay, you can use this on any of the time frame. So that is what we will be looking at in today's video. And another beautiful thing about it is that, okay, since you are using to trade the spike, so there won't be any sudden reaction in price action that can push your stop loss away. Once it gets to your stop loss, it closes immediately. Okay, because for it to get to your stop loss, it moves steadily towards the stop loss. So that is one beautiful thing about this strategy. So let's go straight to the charts right away. Okay, guys, I welcome you all to the chat, and let me launch one of the windows so that you get to see it. Okay, I'm going to take it down to 5 minutes, and of course, you can use this strategy also on 1 minute time frame. That is, if you know how to identify the spikes. Okay, even on 1 minute time frame, but I will try with 5 minutes time frame because I want to get a stronger signal with it. Okay, I want to get a stronger signal with it. Okay, so that is it. So we will look for an opportunity to trade the spikes. So the first thing, like I said, the first thing is for you to know the right trend, and right here on the chart, the QDC scraper trading indicator will help you to know the beginning of the trend. Okay, so you can always come in at the beginning of this trend. Okay, because it is moving from red to green, so definitely on this support region is where the trend is starting from. Okay, even though it's pulled back several times, and once this has gone up for a while, for instance, just the way it had gone up here, you can introduce the stop loss in between them. Okay, divide it into two and introduce the stop loss. Okay, this is where your stop loss should be. So you can see that this got to this level, came back to this level, it is yet to get to your stop loss. Okay, so if it breaks out from this resistance level and it goes above it, you adjust your stop loss to the middle again. Okay, so if it goes above it again, you still adjust your stop loss to the middle. That is how it works. So let's look for a better example so that you get to know how it works properly. I'm looking for a spiky situation. Okay, guys, this is very good. Okay, yeah, on the support region we add our entry point. Okay, so this is our entry point, and definitely this is the current action price. Okay, it's going up and down, then went up to this level. Then you can introduce the stop loss to the middle of the old stuff. Okay, this is the middle. So you can see it came down to this level, didn't get to the stop loss, then went up again. So once it goes up, you can adjust to the middle again. This is the middle. You can see it, you are already widening the gap between your stop loss and your entry point. Okay, that is giving you more confidence to be in the market. Okay, since you are trading the spikes, okay, so you don't have any issue at all. So you can see it got to the tip of the stop loss but didn't get there another time, but didn't get to the stop loss. It went up again, then this time around went up to this level. You can see that this has been widened, so you also adjust the stop loss to the middle. Okay, to the middle, in order to create more opportunity for yourself. And check it out, it got to this resistance level, which it is ending the trend at that point, so you can close your trade at this point. It means that you have trailed the market to the end of the trend. Or let's say you didn't close it at that point. Let's say you decide to adjust it, hoping that it will still spike above this level, probably to this resistance level. But check it out, it didn't spike up again. It came down and down and down. Once it gets to this stop loss, it won't push it backward again. It's going to close your trade for you. It's going to close your trade for you immediately, and you're going to have the profit between here and here. But if you had closed your trade at that resistance level, you will be having your 100% profit. If you did not close it, then definitely you should be having like 80% profit kept, locked out into your balance. Okay, so that is it. That is the way it works. So let's check out other assets. Let's check out other assets so that you will get to know how to go about it. Okay, let's check out crash. Let me look for a better opportunity to. Okay, good. This is crash. So definitely the best trend to trend spike is when the market is on downtrend. Like I said, this is very, very important. You need to know the right trend to trade the spike. If you don't know the right trend to trade the spike, then you will be getting the whole system wrong. Okay, you will be getting everything all wrong. So it is better you know the best trading time for it. Okay, so for crash, it should be when spike is on downtrend. So this should be your entry point when the spike, when the market is on downtrend. You can see the market started the downtrend around here. Okay, you can see that. So this should be your entry point. So after having a few spike and you have gotten to this level, then you can introduce your stop loss to the middle. You can see this is the middle, but it came up and got to your stop loss, and it came up and got to the stop loss. So definitely you will be taken out of the market, and with this profit between here and here. But let's say, okay, let me put it this way. After getting to your stop loss, definitely you should wait for another opportunity. Let's say you decide to come in here again and the price action got to this level and even went down to this level, so you can always adjust your stop loss to the middle again for this profits, for you to lock out this profit for yourself. But check it out, it went up again and got to your stop loss. Okay, and got to your stop loss, even beyond your stop loss. But once it gets to this stop loss, it's going to close your trade for you, and your profit between this middle line and your entry point will be locked out into your balance again. So you will be having it in your balance. So all you need to do is to follow the same pattern till you get to the end of the trend. Okay, till you get to the end of the trend. The reason is for you to be in the right trend, then definitely you will be having so many spikes happening around there. Let's say the price action didn't get to your stop loss, definitely it will be going down till it gets to the end of the trend. It will be going down till it gets to the end of the trend, and once it gets to the end of the trend, you will be closing your profits in you will be closing your trade in 100% profit. Okay, so that is the way it works. It is as easy as that. So it is a beautiful thing when you know the right trend to trade your spikes. Okay, and it is also more beautiful when you know how to use your stop loss to trail it down to the very last part of the trend. Okay, I want you to go back to your chart, have this set up on your chart, and watch this video over and over so that you will understand how it works, and try to identify your trend, the beginning of the trend, then the right trend for trading spikes for each of these assets. Place your order, wait for it to spike for a while. After spiking for a while, then introduce your stop loss. I will advise you to start with 5-minute time frame because it makes it very easy for you to come in. Okay, you can also use 1 minute. Okay, if you want, you can also use 1 minute. Okay, so that is the way it works, guys. That is the way it works. I will be stopping right here. Remember to share your results with me after practicing this over and over. Okay, this will help you to it's going to help you to build your confidence whenever you are trading spikes. It will help you to learn, to know the exact time to trade spikes and the best way or best method on how to trade it. So I will be stopping right here. So guys, in case you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video. And do not forget to join us again in the night for our $500 per day trading tips for trading boom and crash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.